junkyard trip, so not my car. But look at this timing belt, Volvo S60. Very nice. You don't even know, is this the original belt or maybe it's an aftermarket one that just didn't last maybe 2-3 years. But this guy was definitely riding on a bomb. So replace your timing belt, check it out when you buy the car, if you buy it used, I guess. Don't let this happen. And I do remember I had a customer with a XC90. This is a S60, but one guy with an XC90 came and he asked me for a power steering pump and stuff, and I just went to check his timing belt, just a quick check. It was twice as worse as this one, more cracked, even more cracked than this one. So it happens. No, not everybody knows about timing belt on these cars, so check it out.